Lydul simplifies your daily operations with a simple yet powerful app. Lydul is a calendar where you can schedule jobs, invite crews and clients, and stay on the same page easily, while knowing where your company stands at any moment. Let's dive into a few of the features that Lydul offers. You can chat with your teams because onboarding teams with QR code has never been easier. Your crews can clock in and clock out easily, as well as track their expenses. You can also add tasks right in the chat to track progress of your jobs. And you can check how much you owe your teams and how much they clocked in at any moment. Lydul is free for all your collaborators, forever. Visit us at lydul.com.